This rust is worse than we thought, especially around the mandible assembly.
Copy that. These hydraulics near the front look compromised too. Analyze the stress fractures on the muzzle.
Scanning now.
The eye unit is completely offline.
The rust here is extensive and the wiring is a complete mess.
We'll need to stabilize this area before. The brake assemblies are worn. Replace the entire system.
Copy that. Check the axles, they look corroded.
We need more supports here. This chassis is failing.
The oxidation is severe here. Check these reinforcements. Copy that. The flooring needs replacement.
Secure the front points first.
Copy that. Attaching now.
Tension the rear lines. Let's start a slow pull. Keep it slow. Adjust tension on the rear chains. Tension confirmed. Check alignment. Proceed.
The restraint is secure.
Check the tongue harness.
Hydraulics engaging.
Okay, that's good. Slow it down. Stop here.
We're locked in.
Power down the engine. Team, assess the damage. All right, team, secure the water pipes. Start with the mechanical teeth and the chassis.
Copy that. Hoses connected.
Rotating brushes are ready.
Keep focusing on the jawline.
Affirmative.
Getting the armored plating now. Good work. We're revealing the details.
The teeth are almost entirely clean, leader.
Excellent. Ensure the joints are flushed thoroughly. Keep the pressure steady.
Looks much better already.
Watch the eye details, careful with the power. Keep the pressure steady around that bracket. We need to see the wiring better. Okay, moving in closer now. Stop, right there. The lens is cracked. Keep working on those hinges. Yes, leader. That's it, almost done with the jaw.
Keep a steady pressure on the front axle. Understood.
Watch the suspension springs on the third set.
Verified. Increase the flow.
The rust is coming off, but the structural damage is worse than we thought here.
We're marking the weak spots now.
Be careful around the seams.
The heavy dirt is gone, but the structural damage is worse than expected.
That's a lot of rust on the chassis.
Note the damage to the cab's eye housings and tongue mechanism.
Okay, here are the stress points. Bring the lift over here. We're ready with the containers. Keep it steady. We need to check those connections behind the plating.
Right, support the edges.
That wiring bundle looks damaged. Prepare to tag it.
Proceed with caution. Support the weight slowly. Place it on the far stand. Copy.
All right, focus on the upper molars.
Got it.
Got it. Watch the wiring in the back. Good job, let's keep it steady.
The corrosion is deep. We'll need new electrical channels.
Copy that. Disconnecting the old harness now.
Hand me the left housing. I need to inspect the seal.
Secure the forward chains. Check the attachment points twice.
Confirmed, leader. Ready for tension.
Technician 16, move back. Confirm all clear.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Clear. Going up. Check the pressure in these hydraulic lines, characters B and C. Copy that.
Working on the cooling connections now, leader. Check the pressure line. Ensure it's fully disengaged.
Copy that. Disengaging now. Main mount loose. Engine is clear.
Verified. Proceed to lift.
Lift it slowly.
Clearance looks good on the hydraulic line.
Keep it steady. Watch the left side.
All right, team, this corroded housing needs immediate attention.
Copy that, boss. Marking it now.
Let's assess the heavy grease buildup and get the pneumatic tools ready. Keep working on this section.
Copy that.
Almost done with this bracket, boss. Excellent. The bracket surfaces look good. Move on to the main power core mount next. Roger that. Engaging the pneumatic scaler.
Secure the bracket. Make sure the nozzles hit the welds.
Yes, leader, it's stable now. Set it down slowly. Verified, position secure. Begin treatment, monitor the pressure. The chemical reaction is proceeding as expected. The rust is lifting.
It's coming off cleanly. We might be ahead of schedule.
Keep the pressure steady. We need a complete rinse.
Looking good, Fox. Moving it to the table now.
Place it carefully. Check the serial against the schematic. All right, team, let's get those worn seals out. Yeah. Got it. This gasket is toast. Check the new hose alignment before you tighten. Looks perfect. Engine is looking sharp. The alignment needs to be perfect here.
Understood.
Hoses are secure. Torque those fittings to spec, please. The seals look perfect. Let's do a final torque check before we move it over. The readings here show deep fatigue,
Copy that.
and this mounting point needs immediate attention.
Right, I'll log it. Keep it steady. Dig in here. Right, got it. That's it. Looking good. Hold it there. Clean metal underneath.
Measure twice, cut once.
Copy that.
Position the stress plate exactly there, on it. The alignment looks perfect, secure those plates.
Copy that, boss.
Grind it smooth, then we move to the suspension.
The front suspension is showing significant stress fractures. We'll need to reinforce those brackets.
The coating looks perfect on the suspension arms.
Okay, moving these to the assembly area.
Be careful with that heavy axle component.
All right, team, lift it slowly. Check the tension.
Tension's good.
Watch the axle.
We got it.
Move it away from the frame. Bring it here.
Set the brush to high pressure. Focus on the seam right there. Perfect, it's clean. Let's get the internal components ready.
Keep these hubs spotless. We're ahead of schedule.
On it, boss. Ensure the axle connections are aligned.
Check the alignment on this axle. Torque looks good on the brake hubs. Solid. Let's finish securing these connections.
The oxidation on the mandible framework is worse than expected.
Apply an inhibitor spray to that collar armor plate.
Noted.
Excellent. Keep that steady pressure.
Got it, looks solid. Keep it steady. Watch the temperature.
Right, boss.
Does the alignment look good on that bracket?
Ensure the new support is perfectly aligned before tightening.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench.
Check the articulation points one more time for smooth movement.
The alignment looks good on the upper jaw. Keep smoothing the edges.
Yes, leader.
Technician 1, check the mounting points on the cheek panels.
The calibration is perfect. Move it in slowly. Secure the joint. Locked in, just like the blueprint.
Tighten that mount. Perfect alignment.
Got it, boss. Looking good.
Secure it.
Excellent, the corrosion on this section is completely gone.
Moving on to the reinforcement.
Careful with the alignment, we need these centered. Yes, leader. Secure the brackets now. We can activate the lighting.
Ensure the cheek panel connections are secure.
Checking the jaw alignment now.
Status
On the eye housings?
looks solid. Proceed to the next stage.
Keep these struts. All right, this panel is rusted solid. Focus on extracting the electrical conduits carefully.
Line it up here. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Secure it.
Be careful with the mounting points. Don't worry, I got it. Needs a lot of work. Focus on cleaning that rust first.
Remove the auxiliary control module carefully. We'll need to send it for analysis.
Understood.
And assess the wiring harness for stress fractures.
The mounting points look secure. Ready to test the fit on these.
Secure the main relay here, please.
Looks good.
Excellent. The controls are all set. Secure it here.
Okay.
Verified. Perfect.
Perfect.
Looking good. Keep it tidy. The mounts are secure.
Good. Check the lumbar.
Looks perfect. The wiring is tidy. Let's test the adjustments.
Verified. Ready for final assembly. The dashboard is solid.
Seats are secured.
Wiring check passed.
Focus on these lower structural sections.
Keep the angle consistent there. Noted. Adjusting. Good. That section looks solid now. Move to the next. Affirmative. Proceed with the removal. Character B, adjust your angle slightly.
Copy that. Moving it now.
Verified. Structure is sound. Let's move to the next section.
Measure twice, cut once.
Looks good. Check the left seam.
Solid. This piece is perfect.
The finish looks much better now. Let's start sanding this section.
Copy that.
We need it completely flush before painting.
Keep the seam tight on that edge.
Affirmative, leader.
Good job, the new panels look solid.
Just your pressure spray. Set up the high pressure sprayers along the south wall. Technicians, focus on the upper seams here. The alignment looks good. Make sure those fasteners are secure. We've got it, boss. Moving to the next section.
The finish looks much better now. Let's start sanding this section.
Copy that.
We need it completely flush before painting.
The box is solid. Reinforcement looks perfect. Ready for sanding.
The repairs look solid. Let's start with the fine grit sanding here.
Agreed. I'll get the pneumatic sanders ready.
The finish is looking good here. Let's move on to the lower cheek section.
Copy that.
Working on the eye armor.
Ensure the base of each tooth is perfectly smooth.
All right. Looks good on the scanner.
Keep working on the seams around the window. Got it, I'll use the detail sander there. This panel here is ready for primer.
Keep the pressure even on the upper panel.
Right, boss.
We're almost ready for the industrial primer.
Excellent progress on the cab. Move to the chassis crossbeams next to the rear suspension.
Copy that. Moving to chassis crossbeams. Keep cleaning the seams around the armor and eyes. Check the teeth closely. Got it. We're clear on the chassis and cargo panels. Excellent, it's perfect.
Excellent coverage. Ensure the seams of the mouth and the cargo boxes are perfectly sealed.
Right away.
Good, let's keep it uniform for the final paintwork.
Keep it even on the jawline.
We're almost done with the cabin.
That's looking good.
The pressure looks perfect here. Maintain the steady rhythm over the joints. Will do. Coverage is even on the muzzle.
Keep those edges sharp, don't touch the teeth. Perfect. Now hit the mounting areas.
Got it.
Excellent, looks flawless.
Keep the separation sharp on that cheek plate.
Understood.
Check the edge here, leader.
Keep it even, follow the seam.
It's looking good, smooth application.
Check that coverage near the panel joint.
The muzzle is looking much smoother.
Yeah.
Just finishing up the seams on the cheek armor. Good. Let's inspect the finish closely.
Keep the lines crisp on the jaw.
We're focusing on the cheek armor now.
Perfect. Ensure the finish is uniform. Exceptional work. The metallic finish on the teeth is perfect.
Thank you. The coverage is even.
The finish looks perfect here.
We've got the front wheels prepped now.
Excellent, maintain the coverage and match the matte texture here.
Yes, ma'am, working on it.
The finish is perfect. Look at the detail on the teeth.
The cargo box matches perfectly. Ready for testing?
Yes, she's finally ready.
Engage the primary crane.
Copy that, lifting slowly.
Monitor hydraulic pressure.
All systems stable. Initiating ascent.
Maintain precise alignment.
All right, slowly. Hold. A little bit more to the left. Just a fraction forward. Perfect. Lower.
Secure the forward mounts, team. Ensure torque is calibrated to specification.
Affirmative, leader. Torquing now.
Line it up perfectly. Tighten the cheek plates now. Yes, ma'am. Looks good from this angle.
All right, careful with that. Take it slow.
Roger that.
Roger that. Watch the clearance on the cab. We see it. Lower it steadily.
Check the coolant levels one last time.
All set, Captain.
Wiring secure? Perfect. Let's start her up.
Engaging hydraulic test protocol.
Pressure reading stable.
Smooth extension, check.
Good clearance, confirmed.
Cycle complete, pass.
Systems initializing. Check voltage on channels 1 through 4.
Voltage stable at 240. Leader.
Engage primary diagnostics.
Keep it steady at 10 RPM. Affirmative. Speed is constant. Checking the front suspension dampeners. Looks good back here. No unusual harmonics. Monitor the torque on the 5th axle.
Excellent work. It's looking perfect.
Just getting the final edges.
Outstanding shine.
The restoration is complete. Excellent work, team. We're on schedule. Keep working on the lower edge.
Make sure the joints are perfectly flush.
This finish looks great. Let's check the horn structures.
The connection is secure. Checking the levels.
Activate the system.
Perfect, it's working. Eyes engaged.
Diagnostics green. Power holding steady.
Activation sequence engaged. Clear. Readings are stable. She's running. Status confirmed. Outstanding work, everyone.
Keep focused on the edges. Almost done here. Perfect. Move to the tail.
Keep polishing the rims until they gleam.
Roger that.
Check the suspension bolts here.
The alignment is perfect.
Visual confirmation on the panel gaps.
Torque check on the rear axle
Confirmed.
and hydraulics.
All secure.
Status update.
Ready, boss.
The chassis is flawless, just as we planned.
And the plating is secure. It's ready.
The readings are green across the board. The restoration is complete.
Excellent work.
The restoration is complete. Engage primary systems. Status green, ready for movement.
Excellent. It's stable.
Smooth as promised.
Ready for the road. Proceeding with the turn. Affirmative. Looking good.
Suspension stable. Hydraulics within limits.
The restoration is complete. It's moving beautifully. Solid confirmation, Commander. Proceeding with the run. The restoration is complete. It's moving beautifully. The engine's running smooth. It's perfect. Let's begin the final drive.
It's magnificent. Unbelievable work. She runs perfectly.